I want to ask Nicolette, how can candidates demonstrate really strong communication skills?
Okay, so one of the things that I would always say is don't be silent in the room. We want to hear your voice. As a leader in corporate America, if I have someone that's on a call that's silent, I'm curious as to why. I want to hear your voice because you have ideas as well. And don't think anything that you say may not be the best thing in the world. It doesn't matter. We all make mistakes in what we say. But the fact is that you're sharing. So one of the first things I want you to do is share your thoughts, share your ideas, and do it so that they can hear your voice. And especially those leaders who are in the room listening. And then you're going to help someone based on your idea because they may not have even thought of that, but you have. So don't keep it to yourself. And anytime you have an opportunity to present something, take that opportunity. And even if you're an introverted type of person, because I hear that sometimes I'm introverted, I'm just not that outgoing, but basically you can make an impact one at a time. Go to that individual peer and talk to that peer and communicate. Talk to your manager and communicate to that manager. Maybe it's only 2 people you want to get on the call and be afraid of not speaking in front of this many people here today. So you still can make an impact, but you have to use your voice. And the way that you also can do that, don't be afraid of taking a course. Because again, with the texting world today, people have gotten out of the art of communication. And you don't have to be this mega speaker in order to communicate. But I will recommend that you take some courses to help you with your communication skills. And of course, you got LinkedIn that has tons of opportunities out there for you to take a course, and YouTube. And I always talk about YouTube University. It's free. Go out and find someone who teaches on that. And so you can learn some of those different things. And the last thing I would say to help your communication skills is to read. Read, the art of reading. Your communication and your language and your diction increases and improves by just reading.
Does Audible count?
Well, Audible can because you're hearing the words as well. It's training your brain on the concepts and how to communicate those concepts. And they're saying the words so you can repeat after them as well. And one of the things, I'm going to tell y'all something funny about me. Okay, now I have a hard time saying doll, baby doll, baby doll, or something like that. I'm from Chicago, I'm from the hood, so I say doll. And this is something that just followed me forever. And it wasn't until one of my friends, she's my best friend, she said, "Why do you say that? I'm tired of you saying that." I said, "What are you talking about? It is a baby doll." And she said, "It's not a baby doll. It's a doll." I was like, "What the heck?" But I grew up in the hood, in Chicago, and that's what we used to say. So I had to learn that as a professional, and it's okay. So don't be ashamed. I use that story all the time because I used that, y'all, for so long until she told me the right way to say it. So think about those words that you're hearing by listening to the Audible and also just simply reading something to help your diction, help your language, and also not just the language, the words that you can use in place of other things. I'm a thesaurus and a dictionary guru, especially when I'm writing for my clients. I'm looking for different ways to say different things because language is how you communicate it, not just from your voice, but also how you're writing it as well.